In today's video, we will talk about the best items that is inside the alien worlds right now. So this one is updated, okay? This is June update, and I'm going to show you some of the items right now. So first things first, okay? Let's go to Atomic Hub, okay? After we reach Atomic Hub, we go to the markets, and the first item is Standard Drill, okay? Standard drill it is because it is giving us 2 TLM with a charging time for around 120 seconds. So if you have 3 standard drills, then probably what you will just wait for around 6 minutes and then you can mine again. So previously my item is ExoGloves, but this is not efficient anymore. It is because of the CPU error. So you actually want to give something that you want to have a tool that is mining that is pretty much the same as ExoGloves. Okay, so I think this is still the #1 best item for TLM, but due to the CPU error, my rank this ExoGloves is not that worth it anymore. I'll recommend you to buy standard drill, and of course there's an unlimited pieces of this one. So for you to buy standard drill, just go to Atomic Hub and then click the alien worlds and then choose the tools button. Okay, choose tools tab here, then just type the drill. Okay, for you to find the best price, just click this price lowest option here and then it will appear here. So the lower TLM is, the lower you can actually buy drill. So the prices inside Alien Worlds are pretty much correlated to Alien Worlds TLM price. So if you're going to look at Alien Worlds coin market cap, you can see here that the price is around 0.20, which is pretty much the same like last month ago. So you're pretty much buying it for around $8. However, on its May peak, okay, it already peaked on May. So we'll just go into the data right here. Let's go to the one month chart right here. It peaked up to 0.85, okay, 0.65. So the price of drills at that time is around $24. So as of now, as of this recording, this is my #1 recommendation for you if you want to start at Alien Worlds. It is because of the charging time and you won't experience a much more CPU error. So the #2 that I will recommend to you is just buy just buy this ExoGloves, okay, or this Infused Extractor right here, because Infused Extractor is giving an it's giving us a pretty much a higher charge time. So it has an efficiency of 71%. And of course it is pretty much higher charge time. Okay, so if you actually want to suffer some CPUs, you can buy ExoGloves. Okay, so ExoGloves right now is around $4, I think. Last time it was around $8, so it is a steal. Okay, so each ExoGloves is being sold at $5. So this one is pretty much a good deal as well. If you're looking to mine TLM and pretty much you do not have a budget for the drill, you can choose to mine using ExoGloves. So that's the #2 and #3. So for the next one, if you're going to mine NFTs, I recommend that you use this Draxos axe right here. Okay, it is on the number 5th ranking, which has 6% NFT luck with TLM, one TLM per mine, and you are having a POW reduction of 3. So this is giving us pretty much big efficiency because it is balance. You can get TLM and you can get NFTs. However, just a disclaimer for you guys, if you're going to mine Draxos axe, don't expect that you can get NFTs, because I've seen some of my friends, some of the viewers into my channel, that they're saying they're having this Draxos axe, and they're not able to mine NFTs. Take note that it is not your fault, okay? It is on the RNG basis, okay? It is randomized, okay? As you can see here, there are more people that are playing Alien Worlds, and of course your chances of getting an NFT is pretty much lower than before, than 3 months ago, than 4 months ago. That is why you can probably mine Draxos Axe and you can't get any NFT for around 2 days, okay? So even if you're going to use this caution attractor, wax strural, processor, AI excavator, you're still having the same chance like them, okay? It is because there are a lot of people that are trying to mine NFTs, and of course it is pure luck if you're going to get one, okay? Which is pretty much the same on TLM. More people that are mining TLM than the lower mining pot, which results to a lower TLM that you can probably get inside the game. So that is it for this video, okay? I'm just going to remind you again, for Alien Worlds, okay, there's no Captcha already. So I just got corrected by another viewer. They said that it is Wax's decision to do those, okay? So to remove the Captcha, it is because, I mean, it's pretty much nonsense, right? You can still like open a bot and can still bypass the Captcha, and you can still buy anything, okay? You can still mine TLM with a lot of accounts, so that's pretty much useless, okay? So you're saving more time on this one, and of course it is a lot more easier for you to mine, and of course you won't get irritated on those captchas anymore. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you do so, please smash that like button, click the thumbs up, and please click the notification bell onto my channel, okay? As you can see here, I do have 9,654 subscribers, and as you can see into my analytics, there are more than 87 people that are not subscribing to my channel, that are pretty much viewing this content. So there are more than 86.4%. so please do subscribe into my channel. That will really help a lot, and see you on my next video.